Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today it is 1st of May 2020 and I am going to show you something very special. This is my Loquat fruit tree, and the Loquats are being ripened, and there is a problem, and the problem is that birds are taking their bites here and there from this fruit tree, and I have thought about the solution of this problem, and I am showing you the solution of this problem. These are the polythene bags here and there. I have covered my fruit with these bags, and you may see the sweating or the perspiration that is being fumed out from this fruit, and I have covered the fruit, and this is this. Look at these Loquat fruit is turning pale. Yes, there are two major benefits of this polythene bag. Number one, no bird is able to bite the fruit, and the other one is that it takes sun with due concentration, and it traps the heat or the light within this bag, so that it may not get out and the fruit get ripe very easily and very early. It takes about 3 or 4 days to turn this fruit into pale, and it's very delicious. The weather was cold due to heavy rains this year here in Abbottabad, Pakistan, and the fruit was not being ripened early, and we have about 3 or 4 Sundays in the April, and now it is getting a little warm. Many of my fruits are not ripened yet, and they are green in color, and it take about 5 or 6 days or maybe 10 days to turn these fruit into yellow ones. And this is the bite of the nightingales, and they took their share. This is another one, and look at this. The fruit that is at height is an easy prey of nightingales and the sparrows. Yet another fruit, and look at this. This is also the aftermath of bird catching their food from here, and so I have tied these fruit with the polythene bags, so that the fruit may be available for us too. And there is some fruit that is not being covered yet at the moment, but soon I will cover it. And this is another view. Look at this. The fruit is sweating, and the fragrance of the fruit, and look at this, beautiful. This part of the tree is taking much sun, and the fruit is getting pale very rapidly. This is a rather summarized view, and look at this. The whole tree is this. Now you may see the polythene bags or shopping bags wrapping different sections of this tree. The fruit is there in the protection. This is another view, yet yet another angle of the fruit. Thank you very much for watching.